Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by locating the main component and any instances in your file. Open the Assets or Layers panel, then select the instance you want to change. This gives you immediate access to overrides. Once done, check whether the icon is a nested layer, an instance of an icon component, or a vector shape, knowing that determines how you'll swap it. If it's a component instance, you'll change the master or swap with another component. If it's a vector, you'll edit paths. Now perform the actual change. If the icon is an instance of an icon component, select it and use the right-hand instance menu to swap with another icon component. This preserves overrides like color and size. If the icon is a vector nested inside the component, double-click to enter the group, then paste or draw the new vector. Make sure constraints and layout grid remain consistent. Also update auto layout spacing or masks if the new icon has different bounds, so layout doesn't shift. Finish by cleaning up. If you edited the main component, publish those changes to the team library so every instance updates. Once published, test several instances and variants to confirm sizing, fills, and alignment stayed intact. If something resets or looks wrong, make sure masks and Boolean operations didn't invert, that layer names match expected overrides, and that constraints are correct. Fixing those typically restores overrides without breaking layout. Finally, reapply any instance level tint or stroke as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.